and welcome to Creation Products. Today we are going to demonstrate the new Paraffin Wax Warmer. First, we are going to start with an unboxing of the product. The digital warmer comes with digital controls to power on the wax warmer and control the temperature, a nice durable lid to keep the heat in, a power cord, a brush applicator to get into hard to reach areas, a protection grill to help avoid contact with the bottom of the wax warmer. This also allows nothing to settle to the bottom of the machine. A manual with quick instructions and safety precautions. Please read this carefully before using the wax warmer. That concludes the unboxing, and now we will begin the demonstration. First, we will begin plugging in the machine to power it on. We will then set the temperature of the wax warmer really high, approximately around 140 degrees, to heat up the wax. Go ahead and put your selected wax into the warmer. Creation Products has two paraffin waxes, peach and lavender scented. Both are packed with lots of nutritious oils and a beautiful aromatic scent that will immediately fill up the room. Once wax is heated, put the protection grill inside to protect your hands from touching the hot surface. Now lower the temperature to around 115 degrees so it is safe for dipping and cool enough for touch. There are three methods to use paraffin wax. The first is the dipping method. Start by dipping the hand into wax, allowing a couple seconds in between to cool the layer. Repeat by dipping again and cool until you build a solid glove. Allow wax to cool completely, then remove wax. The second method is the mitten way. First, dip hand into the wax 2 to 3 times, covering the whole hand in wax. Then wrap hand in a bag and place into a mitten. Using the mitten will help retain heat and the oils from the wax and will seep into the skin to make it moist and soft. Lastly, the final method is to use the brush provided for smooth and precise application of the wax. After your chosen method is complete, remove the wax to reveal a beautiful, healthy-looking skin. Creation Wax is curated to easily and smoothly remove the wax in one piece. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and share this video. Want to see more videos? Then subscribe to Creation Products YouTube. Please check out all of our social medias to stay updated with Creation Products' new hot items. Thank you.